Alright, this short video clip will show you how to determine if you need to flip your solenoid switch or reverse it, or if what you've got works. First thing you want to do is, on the epilogue, is remove the back panel. Okay, I've already got the screws out of this one, so I'm just going to take it off. And then we're going to turn the machine on right there. Okay. Right here I've got a tankless style gassed pump. And we're going to plug that into the back of the machine where the solenoid is. This is the solenoid right here. And we're going to turn this pump on. If you do not hear any air coming out of here blowing by, then you need to flip your solenoid, because that will burn up your gas pump. Okay, so with that said, these are quick fits, by the way, too. Okay, so we unplugged that. Now I need to take this loose. There's two screws that hold down the solenoid. Both Phillips heads, one on top, one on the bottom. Okay, kind of hard, kind of a tight fit to get up in there. Let's go ahead and turn the machine off while we're doing this. And I'm going to pause this for a second and go ahead and loosen these two Phillips head screws, and then we'll pick it back up from there. Okay, so with the two Phillips head screws removed, we'll pull this out, and it's going to be kind of hard to do with one hand while I'm holding the camera, but we're going to actually rotate this guy 180 degrees like so. It spins right here. Okay, so after you've got the solenoid out, you disconnect it, flip this thing, and then reconnect the tube from the machine. Like so, and then we can put it back in here. And I'm going to pause this while I put it back together. Put the two screws back in. Alright, so after we've got all this done, we want to test this. I'm going to go ahead and plug in my air compressor again, and just all I have to do really is just turn it on. If you can hear that like that, then you've got it right. Now, of course, you wouldn't have had to do any of this if you had a tank on your air compressor. But not having a tank doesn't allow for the air to go anywhere, so that's why we have to flip the solenoid, because if we don't, we will burn up the tankless pump. Well, that's it for this little demonstration.